Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable a private session on the Spotify mobile app. This feature lets you listen to music without sharing your activity with your followers, giving you complete privacy while enjoying your favorite tracks. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Finally, turn on the Private Session option. This will temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. Keep in mind that private sessions automatically end after 6 hours. That's it. Now you know how to enable private session on Spotify to keep your listening habits private. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.